Hello my friend, welcome to my channel Fox Drawing Skills. In this video we draw characters based on the game The Garden of Banban. Watch the video up to the end and you will see the drawing process step by step. So let's get started. Please support the development of my young channel and subscribe. In order for the paint to spread beautifully, you need to moisten the selected area with a brush well. I moisten the entire figure and now apply bright paint all over the edge. This method gives us the effect of a luminous and transparented figure. Please share my video with a friend to help my channel grow. This is very important to me and I will be grateful. It's not over yet, you can see the result at the end of the video.
With the simple movements, we create a such beautiful illustration. Try to repeat and get your unique masterpiece.
Hope to see you soon on my new tutorials. Let's draw together again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.